Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the So Much to Celebrate kit. This kit is great for weddings, baby showers, anniversaries, and so much more. And it comes with everything you need to create these beautifully layered cards in just a few simple steps. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. Such beautiful cards to celebrate wonderful occasions. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!